Hey YouTube, RMS2192 here with another vacuum cleaner video. This time it's for my Hoover Convertible that I have. The model number is U4401. With most of my vacuum cleaner videos, usually I do them a couple of days after I get them. This time I've kind of waited for this to do this video. The story is, if you watch my YouTube channel, you've seen this vacuum cleaner in one of my vacuum cleaner update videos. I believe it's the third one, the one that's in my uncle's basement, which is where I am now. And if you hear a noise in the video, it's the dryer. Right now I'm doing some laundry here. But I got this vacuum about 2 months ago. The reason I didn't do a video on it is as soon as I got this home, it got stuck in shag, the shag setting. So I'll show you that right there. But right now, while I was doing the laundry, I worked on it, sprayed it with some WD-40, and now it's stuck out of shag and it works great. So I figured I'd do a video on it. So there's the front of the vacuum. Back of it. Handle release. Then you got the settings. Got like low, normal, high, and shag. Like I said, I was stuck in shag, but now it's working perfectly good. Then you got the power switch. And then also it came with the hose attachment, and it came with one extension wand and the brush. So once I'm done with this, I'll do a video of doing the hose attached to it. But for right now, I got some confetti on the carpet, and see how it cleans it up. So there is my Hoover Convertible vacuum. One other idea I have with this is I want one vacuum that's originally my own. So I'm actually thinking of repainting this. So if you guys think it's a good idea or bad idea, leave your comments in the video. Later.